Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to find the angle between two lines. So our question is, find the angle between the lines, this and that. So to find the angle between these two lines, we use the directional vector. And let's first write the direction vector of this first line. Now this first line has x over 1 and this y over 2, this numerator over 3. So the direction vector of this first line is 1, 2, 3. So let's call that one d1. Our d1 is equal to 1, 2, 3. Let me write them in column vector form. And then for the second line, we shall call it d2. We are taking the denominator. So it will be 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and 4. So to find the angle between these two lines, we shall dot this. That d1 dot d2 gives us the magnitude of d1 times the magnitude of d2, and then cos theta. So from this dot you can see that you have to find the dot of d1 and d2, then the magnitude of d1 and the magnitude of d2, from which we shall get the cos theta, and then after we find the cos inverse. Okay, let's start with the dot product of these two. So that is d1 dot d2 equals to 1, 2, 3 dot 2, 3, 4. So when I dot this, 1 times 2 gives us 2, plus 2 times 3 gives us 6, plus 3 times 4 gives us 12. So adding this plus that, it will equal to 20. So that is the dot of d1 and d2. Then we find the magnitude of those vectors. So magnitude of d1 is the square root of 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared. So this will be the square root of, this one is 1 plus 4, 5 plus 9, 14. That is the square root of 14. Then d2, magnitude will equal to the square root of 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared. So we have 2 squared, which is 4, plus 3 squared, which is 9, then plus 16 squared, which is, so plus 4 squared, which is 16, which will give us 29. So we substitute back to our dot product, but when we are substituting, we are going to rearrange this in this form. Our cos theta will equal to d1 dot d2 over magnitude of d1 times magnitude of d2. So cos theta equals to d1 dot d2 was 20 over the square root of 14 times the square root of 29. We can multiply 14 and 29 and get 406. So it is the square root of 406. So to find theta, it will be the cos inverse of 20 out of the square root of 406. And for this, we can use a calculator and get the answer. So this will be the square root of the cos inverse of 20 divided by the square root of 406, which gives us so it is cos inverse of 20 over the square root of 406, and that is our answer. It is 6.98 degrees. 6.98 degrees.